Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss how can we show a button on your website at the bottom in the footer where Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you something very interesting. So basically by this setting you'll be able to show a button for installing the application in your user's Android phone directly at the bottom of the footer. So basically, as you can see, if you go to store configuration, user experience, and if I were to go right down and I say show install application button in the footer, when I do this, if I go here in a mobile phone, you'll be able to see that this button starts appearing, install application. And when a user clicks on this button, your application, your store's application would get installed as a shortcut directly on their Android phone screen. So next time they don't have to go to the browser and look for a URL, all they need to do is directly click on the icon and they'll be able to visit your store from the Android phone using the application. Thank you.